The EYYA Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless is designed for users who want a compact, yet powerful cleaning solution for their vehicle and small indoor spaces. With a strong suction capability of up to 15,000 PA, it easily lifts dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from car seats, floor mats, and tight corners where traditional vacuums struggle to reach. Its cordless design adds a major level of convenience, allowing you to move freely without being restricted by cables or needing a power outlet nearby. The lightweight body makes it easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions without causing fatigue. It is especially useful for quick cleanups in cars, office desks, sofas, and even keyboards. The included attachments help target narrow gaps and delicate surfaces, ensuring a more detailed cleaning experience. The reusable filter system is designed for easy maintenance, making it simple to empty and clean the dust container after each use. Battery performance is optimized for short to medium cleaning tasks, making it ideal for routine maintenance rather than heavy-duty deep cleaning of large spaces. Charging is straightforward and can be done through common USB sources, which adds flexibility whether at home or on the go. The dustbin capacity is compact, but it is sufficient for typical car cleaning sessions and daily mess control. Overall, this vacuum stands out for its balance of portability, suction power, and ease of use. It is a practical choice for car owners who want a reliable tool for keeping interiors clean without the hassle of bulky equipment. While it may not replace a full-size vacuum for large homes, it excels in convenience and quick performance where it matters most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.